Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making an amazing chicken adobo that's going to blow your taste buds away. Here are my ingredients. I have black pepper, brown sugar, green onions, bay leaves, garlic cloves, peppercorn, silver swan soy sauce, regular soy sauce, rice vinegar, and for today's recipe I am using drumsticks. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by chopping our garlics. Next, grab your chopped garlics. Your brown sugar. Peppercorn and bay leaves, soy sauce, and your rice vinegar. And to that, we're also going to add half a cup of water and give it a good toss. And guys, please do marinate this for at least 2 hours or overnight for best flavor. After my chicken has been marinating for several hours, in a large pan or a pot, add oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Seared all chicken on all sides. After placing all your chicken in the pan, we're going to sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side. After 3 minutes, go ahead and flip them. After searing all the chicken, go ahead and remove them. After removing the chicken, go ahead and pour your marinade in here. We're going to bring this to a boil before adding the chicken back in. Now that this had come to a boil, go ahead and add your chicken back in. And we're going to cover this for 30 minutes before flipping them over. After 30 minutes, this is how it's looking. So go ahead and flip them over. And we're going to continue simmering this on low for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll show you how they look. While the chicken is simmering, go ahead and chop your green onions. Hello guys, so my chicken adobo is ready. It looks amazing. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.